Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send dogs from Binance to Telegram wallet. First, open Binance, tap on wallets, tap on spot, make sure you have dogs available and ready to withdraw. Now tap on dogs, tap on withdrawal, tap on send via crypto network. So in the address field, we need to copy our dogs address from the Telegram wallet. So open the Telegram wallet. Now scroll down a bit and look for dogs. Now tap on dogs, then tap on receive, then tap on copy address. Now let's go back to Binance, then paste the dogs address into the address field. Then for the network, select on coin. Then for the memo field, since the dogs address in the Telegram wallet doesn't have a memo, leave it blank. And then for the withdrawal amount, keep in mind that there is a minimum amount to withdraw. The minimum amount is 1,000 dogs. Then tap on withdraw. You did not fill in the memo. Please confirm that the recipient address does not require a memo. Tap on submit. Confirm here. Enter the code generated by your Google Authenticator app. And now the withdrawal is in progress. Wait for a few minutes. If you want to check the status of the withdrawal, tap on view history, and once the status shows as completed, you can go ahead and check your Telegram wallet, and you have successfully sent your dogs from Binance to your Telegram wallet. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.